here in Iron Mountain, Michigan. We're gonna jump on the Menominee River, hit this bad water flowage, and hopefully crack some big largemouth bass. So stick around, should be a good one. Hopefully we get some nice fish. So we got to our first spot here. This is kind of a little island. It's got some good laydowns in it. We're gonna start off here and see if we can maybe crack one on these laydowns. And a lot of time these rivers can be super hard to fish just because, I mean, honestly, everything looks so good on a river. Even pitch back to some spots that you were on before, because a lot of times it might not have went right in that crevice where that fish might be laid up. So all right, so we got some decent wind out here, so I was not getting bit on that worm. I didn't try super long, but what I always like to do a lot of times is see if they'll chase something that's moving. So got this blue and black chatterbait, the jackhammer. I'm sure everybody knows the hype on that thing. They're expensive, but they do seem to work really good and come through weeds good. So if you're a big, there, ooh, just missed them. So we know they're chasing already. A lot of times there's a couple hits, you're gonna feel a lot of weight, or you're gonna feel knock slack in your line, and that's exactly what happened to me on that cast. It just knocked slack in the line. So I let it sink for a couple seconds and then just engage it right away. You feel weeds, just pop it off the weeds like that. There we go. There's a fish. And what is it? Yeah, it's a pike. Just like I was saying before, problem with chatterbaits is these guys. They will freaking destroy them too. I lost a lot of money due to these little dudes right there. So hopefully, and they're slimy. Hopefully we can get some bass doing this, but keep popping away. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Ah, gator. Knew it wasn't going to be a bass. That's all I want. I just want my lure back. Like I said, the only problem is that. There we go. There's a fish. Both of them little guy. Little dude with a lot of weeds. Alright. Well, he chased it. Little dink, but it's a fish, right? Alright, let me hit this point quick before we leave. It's been a couple hours. I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to see if I could pick off fish. Alright, we're gonna end the day up on this flat right here. And let me get out some because it's freaking way too weedy. There's a bank that comes down. I'm just gonna. There he is. Alright. That's a good sign. There's a bass or a pike. Oh, what do you know? Another pike. Woo, look at that hammer handle. Look at that hammer handle. Nothing but some amazing hammer handle action for you guys today. It's a couple days later now. I just wanted to film this quick outro. It was a grind out there. Thought I was gonna go out there and for sure whack some fish out of the wood and on that chatterbait on that weed flat, but it never happened. So that's all you can do is keep grinding, keep trying things, and till you catch more fish. Other than that few pike I caught and that small bass, that was it. So hey, click and subscribe if you like this, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll get some videos out for you soon. Thanks.